I wake up with the feeling that the world is wide of mine. Every step is like a sunrise, every breath a little shine. I move in my own rhythm, like dancing in my words. I club cause I choose to, I belong to myself first. I follow every spark that my dreaming heart creates. Build my own horizons in the colors that I paint. Every moment feels like magic, every minute I rehearse. I'm a girl who knows her center, and I bloom in every verse. So I choose me in the golden, in the birds, in the common universe. All the shows that moves in me is the place I'm anchored first. Every bright new day reminds me I belong to myself first. I'm the spark inside the daylight, I'm the motion in the breeze, I'm the smile that guides my journey, I'm the one who sets me free. Everything I dream becomes a door I walk toward. I'm a girl who's open starlight as a submarine world. So I choose me, the shimmer in the birds, and the dreaming I rehearse. I step forward with brightness that the whole sky can reverse. Every heartbeat sings it clearly, I belong to myself.